Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready because the legendary Beamer boys are in the building. They said our toes are in the lava. Give me some lava. 2 scoops of ice. They ready to get busy. Can the boys in blue calm these legendary Beamer boys down? Or will the Beamer boys make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let the malarkey begin. Beamer boys, where are you? Yeah, they're supposed to be chasing the BMW. I don't know what kind. When we get a good look at it, I can tell you what kind it is. If I even know what kind it is, because you know I'm fairly new to the Beamer boys. Hopefully the sound kick in soon so we can see what's going on. Look at all my semi brothers out there driving them semis. Shout out to the semi boys. If you can give a thumbs up to all the semi drivers out there, bringing the lovely products to y'all that y'all need. Uh-oh. Is that the Beamer right there? What's that, a 3 Series? The 3 Series right there. I think that's like a 4-banger in that. I don't think that inline 6 is in that. White boy. Got the white boy Beamer out there. Pull over, Pookie. You know you ain't supposed to be driving your baby mama's Beamer. Oh, he pulling over. Well, at least he trying to act like he want to obey the law. At least he putting on the facade. That's a little boy right there. That ain't even a big one, is it? You know what? Forget it. Yabba dabba do. Ooh, body on earth, foot in hell, dancing on a lake full of fire. He said, forget it, I'm out of here, man. Body on earth, baby, let's go. Okay, you doing the cop doing 120, so I'm gonna go ahead and say 130 for the Beamer. Getting busy with it. Let's go. He running from you like that pretty girl at the gym that you keep stalking. Leave her alone, stalker. Man, he pulling away quite easily. Man, look how far ahead of him he always is. Come on, man. Don't tell me this is a super extreme trash. Cop car, man. Get that man an RT at least. If he don't get past 130, we know what it is. We know what they got him. Man, he all the way up there. Ain't no way. Man. That is crazy. Look how far he is up there. Come on, man. He's out of reach, baby. Out of reach like that pretty girl that you keep trying to get with. She out of your league, boy. You ain't got the type of money on to be fooling with her. She like to mess with ballers, and you ain't a baller. Get you a regular girl, baby. Man, he way up there. That's insane. Them Beamer boys don't waste no time getting busy. My man on a high-speed donut run. Because that's what you on, my boy. You ain't gonna catch him. You better hope to God you got a radio that can help you. All I see is open road for the Beamer. He topped out at 130. Why is he even still chasing this Beamer? Can somebody tell me why he's even still trying to chase them? He got his foot all the way on the cement, knocking off all the skin, trying to keep up with this BMW. Insane. It's already over? It's already over? This is insane. It's over. You can't even see him no more. Turn that car off, man. Go to Dunkin' Donuts, please. You're 1022 it, baby. Pick up me a blueberry donut. Thank you. Meet me in the comments. What in the Sam Diggly Balls did we just watch? A cop car to know he can only do 130. Why did you even put your foot down to even keep up with this Beamer? I don't know what kind of BMW this was. I think it's like a little small version. I'm not for sure. I'm not for sure what kind it was, but he got busy quick. I'm pretty sure it wasn't a big inline 6 or it definitely wasn't no V8. Ain't no way there was a V8. I think it only had one pipe behind it. Let me see. It didn't have enough breathing apparatuses for it to be think it was an inline 6 or twin turbo V8. No, that's a little boy. That's probably a 4-banger right there, man. He ain't a 4-banger. He did you like that? He left you standing still? What them 4-bangers max out at? About 155, y'all? 150, 155. Definitely a little boy. That ain't no big boy. It definitely is not. It's not an M. Let me see. Yeah, that look like a little boy. BMW 335, 330, something like that. Yeah, that's a little boy getting busy like that. He was gonna pull over. He's like, you know what? I should pull over. Nah. I think I can outrun him. I'm pretty sure I can outrun that super extreme trash. SXT. Don't you ever give me an SXT unless you say, do you want a good daily to go do to and from work? That's the only time you will ever catch me riding in an SXT is if I want to get to and from work and ride around the city without having to pay a astronomical amount for gas. That's about it. They good for hauling your kids to soccer, basketball games, baseball games, going to the grocery store, getting you to and from work. That's about it. Going across country, visit the family. And it's not a performance car. It's not. I don't know why the cops keep getting these. I don't know who keep clearing these. Who keeps saying, oh yeah, let's going. I know who clearing them. Somebody trying to save money on the budget, so they give people bonuses at the end of the year. The more money they save them, they give them bonus. So they trying to get them bonuses. That's why they keep putting y'all in them super extreme trash cop cars. Cause look at this car. Ain't no way this regular BMW should have pulled away from you like this. Look how he pulled. Shout out to the Beamer boys. They said, listen, we on the comeback. We tired of seeing the Infinitians doing what they doing. Talking about they got 5 Infinity Stones. We got Beamer toes. God damn it. Beamer boys came back fighting. They came back swinging haymakers. They got their eyes closed, throwing punches like this. They said, we want to get back to the top. Look how far that BMW is. Look how far that BMW, look at the speed. He's maxing out at 130. We have not seen him go over 130 miles an hour yet. Out there wasting taxpayer money. You'll know that car couldn't keep up. The minute that car started pulling away from you when you was at 130, you should have said, I'm calling it off. 1022, we're going to call this off. We cannot keep up with this guy. And then the radio was like, you didn't even get on the radio and try to get no help. Look at this. This is insane. You can't even see it. Well, you can see it a little bit. He way up there, man. He probably about 2 miles ahead of you already. At least 1.5 miles. Got your foot all the way down. Your toes sweating in them boots. In them cop boots, some toes sweating. You got your foot all the way down. Your calf look like it's been working out for 5 years straight. And the other one, the left calf, looking like it ain't been working out ever. This is crazy, man. Shout out to the Beamer boys. You did it again. The Beamer boys never let us down. The Beamer boys are back. I said the Beamer boys are back. Infinitians, we're waiting. But with that being said, let me leave y'all with some positivity. You know we got to get the January kicked off right. Check this out. I don't know nobody that's perfect. Not one person in this world is perfect. We have all made mistakes. So if you walking around here with your head all tooted up in the air like you are mistake-free, you're a liar. We've all made mistakes. And for those who think you cannot come back from your mistakes, you're fooling yourself. You can come back. You can make that change. You can do better than you've been doing. Stop giving up on yourself. Just because you made a mistake or two don't mean your life is over. Just because you made some bad mistakes, probably went to jail, probably did some things, lost a couple jobs, don't mean life is over. You always got another chance. As long as the Creator putting air in your lungs and keeping your body healthy, you still got a chance. Don't give up. Don't let somebody tell you that you're just another statistic. Don't let somebody tell you that you ain't nothing, that you ain't shit. No, they ain't shit for telling you that. You got a chance. You still got a chance to be great. Your greatness has not passed you by. You still got a chance to grab onto that greatness and embrace it. If you quit now, you just a quitter. If you give up on yourself now, you just a quitter. And I don't know nobody in the Werewolf Pack that's a quitter. Not one of you people in the Werewolf Pack is a quitter. Just because somebody tell you that you are, they just hating on you. They just mad because they see the light in you and they don't want you to achieve that light. Embrace that light. Embrace your destiny. If you destined to walk this bad boy alone, it's cool. Walk this alone. But walk it great. Walk it with your head held high. Stop letting people down you, dish you, doubt you, tell you that you ain't nothing. You are somebody. Why not you? Every day I told you I'd look in the mirror and say, why not me? Why can't I be rich? Why can't I be the best? Why can't I be the one to get the hot girl or the one to get the hot guy? Why can't I? Why can't I be number one? You can be. You just got to put in the goddamn work. You just got to do what you got to do. You got to want to be the best. In order to be the best, you got to do what? Put in the damn work. You can't achieve greatness if you ain't putting in the work. You can be born naturally good, but in order to be great, You got to work at it. How many athletes was naturally good but didn't put in the work to be great? Kobe Bryant was not the super greatest athlete. Was he a great athlete? Yes, but he wasn't LeBron James, great athlete. He wasn't Michael Jordan type athletic ability, but he put in the work and he became the second greatest basketball player of all time. I'll debate anybody on it. Don't you say LeBron James, because LeBron James is still playing and he has not had 5 championships yet. So in order to be greater than Kobe Bryant, you have to get your championships at the same amount of time. That's how it works. Why you think Kobe stopped chasing Michael Jordan? He knew that if he didn't get the 6 the same time Michael Jordan got it, you can't say you the greatest. You got to get it in the same amount of time. If you don't get it in the same amount of time, you got to settle for less. Settle for second best. And second best ain't bad. Being second to number 1 ain't bad. I don't know who told you that's bad. Being third to second ain't bad. I don't know who told you that's bad. Being in the top 10 ain't bad. I don't know who told you that. What I'm telling you is, if you work hard enough, you can achieve greatness. Work. Let me say it again. Work. And with that being said, I'm going to slide on up out of here. I love you, Werewolf Pack. I love you. Let's make 2026 a great year. We doing what? We going up. We are going up in 2026. All the Werewolf Pack, not just the King Werewolf Tlites. All of y'all is going up. Greatness will be bestowed upon you. I know it will. And let me know. Let me know when you do something great. Let me know. Leave it in the comments. Meet me in the comments and let me know. Tlites, I got the new car that I always wanted. Tlites, I finally got that house. Tlites, I finally got that job. Tlites, I finally got that hot girl I was trying to get with. Tlites, I finally got them Michael Jordan shoes I was trying to get. Whatever it is, little or big, let me know in the comments so I can say, congratulations, baby. I love you. Keep going. But I got to slide on up out of here because, you know, I got to take my dusty foot ass to work. I got to drive one of those. See that thing right there? It's one of those. So I can get you the goods that you need to achieve your greatness. But I'm going to slide on up out of here. But I love y'all. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Whoever told you we do, you're a liar. We do not condone it. Only thing we condone is watching you do it. We love watching you do it, baby. Keep doing what you do. Keep running so we can keep reacting to it. But with that being said, I'm about to slide on up out of here. But hey, Diabolicans, you know who you are. You Diabolicans, you creatures. Listen to me now. If you run, you gonna run. By the time it gets to me, it's too late for me to save you. So I ain't even gonna try to act like I can save you. But what I will do for you future Diabolicans, I don't want you running from the boys in blue. Pull over, Musty. Pull over, Dirty Belly Button. Pull over. But if you don't decide to pull over, make sure you riding in a what? A BMW.